Are you tired of buying limp, expensive mustard greens from the store? What if you could cook this zesty superfood right in your own backyard or patio and cook it into something amazing for your family to eat tonight? Buying vegetables from the grocery store is getting more and more expensive these days. I'm growing in an urban garden in Maryland Zone 7B in the DMV area. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to grow these massive, flavorful red mustard greens and cook them into a delicious dish your family will love. Welcome back, Eloc Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm the OCDish Chick. Today we'll cover everything from planting, harvesting, and cooking these delicious greens. And here they are, giant red mustard greens. Let's get started. We got a lot of rain last night, so the soil is really moist, which is great. If it did not rain, I would say go ahead and pre-moisten your soil before you plant your seeds. So I am creating what's called a finger furrow, dragging my index finger across the soil, a shallow trench, if you will. You can always just press your finger into the soil, maybe half an inch or so. So either method is perfectly fine. Super simple to sow seeds. All it takes is the faith of a mustard seed. This is all God is asking us for. Just a mustard seed type of faith. I'm just going right across the trench here. And inside each hole, I'm going to drop just about 2 or 3 seeds in the hole. They may all germinate, they may not. You better your odds or chances of germination by planting a couple more seeds than maybe you need. During these trying times, we need all the food we can get. Seeds are planted in here. You see the seeds scattered, and we can thin those out later, but we just want to get these seeds germinated and growing. Now we're just going to cover it. Okay, grab my watering can and we're just going to water lightly. Got a nice good rain last night. This is the perfect time to sow mustard green seeds. Full sun. Once your mustard greens have germinated, they'll get a little taller like this. Then they'll get even taller. This is about 3 of my hands. You actually can harvest even younger than this. I do like my leaves young and tender. Look at that beautiful color. Loaded with vitamins and minerals. Super healthy, super delicious. If you like it spicy, you will like these. Here are some green wave mustards as well. Another variety growing here. This is a nice young one here. This is delicious. If you like that spicy kick, you will love mustard greens.
Young and tender. She don't play with the plants. Got dirt in her nails. From seed to the skillet, every meal tells tales. Hydro glowing while the weather stay wild. She the garden queen, hood raised earth child. Fresh greens popping and the peppers on deck. Tomatoes so ripe, make the sun say check. Wind down vibes, she pouring it smooth. Talk truth, drop gems, got that grown woman groove. Young and tender, she don't fake that. Grow it from the root, then she plate that. OCD chick better state that. E-lock rolling deep, can't break that. Young and tender, bringing that flame from the dirt to the dish. She changing the game. Hydro locked in, ain't nothing the same. E-Lock Nation, remember the name. Yo, yeah, tech. She don't follow, she lead. She planted, she grow, and she live what she speak.
I hope you found this guide to growing mustards at home useful. It's amazing and rewarding how easy it is to have an endless supply of this superfood. If you found these tips helpful, please let me know your biggest takeaway in the comments. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.